Let's see how to replace the root page of your website. With other pages, it's fairly easy. You can rename them, you can move them around, you can delete them and create new ones. Not so much with the root page, because the root page is actually the root object of your website. And because it contains your entire site, removing it would mean that you remove your entire site. And this is not allowed. So, as a workaround, specifically for the root page, the root object contains another one that is, in fact, the page object. So let's see this page 2. It contains this image and the text. The root page contains this landing page. And if we grab this page, we can move it before the landing page object. And now the root page will display the text, etc., because this is contained within the first object. So whatever is the first object within the root object will be displayed. At this point, you can either delete that page or you can move it somewhere else if you want. That's it.